Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Expert training. I'm your host, Leandro Mala, and in this video we're going to talk about the conversions functions that we have in the software. So let's go to the presentation. So what I'm going to do in this part is to try to explain the different conversions functions that we have in the software for the different language. I'm going to cover three of them. I'm going to cover ladder, CFC, structured test. Okay, because I believe those are the ones that I use more, and probably you too. So before starting with the conversion, it's important to know there is another function called move that allows us to assign one value of a variable to another variable. Okay, what is important to know is that in order to make this move is that the variables that we want to assign, okay, must match the type. So by this is if I want to move, for example, a temperature value from the analog input to another variable that I have, the type must match. Okay, that's why we have this move. And sometimes we receive like no errors but warnings says that the variable doesn't match. Okay, so in order to match them, we use the conversion. And easy case is, for example, if you're reading an analog input, okay, for voltage or current or degrees, the values that you receive are, if I'm not wrong, integer. So if you want to make some kind of mathematical function or something, probably you use a real. So you will need to convert that into real and then continue with the operations. In order to do that, we have these conversions. So depending on the variable that we have, okay, the variable type, we have different function blocks that you can see over here. So let me just put the pen. Let's start with the ladder. So in order to convert one variable to another one, okay, we have this to underscore and the variable that you want in the output. Okay, so this one is real. And this one, it doesn't matter. It will migrate that to real. If I'm not wrong, I think in the past in SoMachine or the previous of the early versions of Machine Expert, you will need to define the variable that you have in the input underscore to underscore the variable that you want the output. I'm not 100% sure, I don't remember now, but I think it was like that. And we have this new change. So let's continue with this. Okay, this is for ladder. For CFC, it's the same variable that we have. We just need to drag and drop the box and then just define the variable that we want in the input and this one in the outputs. For the structured test is the same. What we need to do is to add this symbol for assign, okay, the input that we have, okay, and then the function block. And the result will be going to the new variable that we want, the real. Okay, if you're using integer, to underscore int. And if you don't know this, you can select the input assistant, go to categories, and then you should be able to find the conversions operation, and here you can find all the list. So let's try to create different POUs to see how it looks like. So let's open this. Okay, let's try to use POU, ladder. It's gonna be ladder action. There we go. So let's imagine that you have an input, I variable, I vart temperature. This would be int. I believe this is notation, good. And then I'm going to select var underscore temp real. Okay, final row, this is the right nomenclature. Yeah, perfect, it's the right syntax. Good. So in order to move this value to the other one, okay, we just can define and to real, okay, assign this variable over here. I believe drag and drop is going to work. Yeah, drag and drop. I believe this function is new one. Probably, I don't remember if SoMachine you have on the early version of this one, which you have it, but you can drag and drop or type the variable. And in this case, I'm going to be permanent, so it's going to be true. Okay. If you don't want this, you can add the other one. Then we have this one. And for example, if you select this one, insert box, you can find the text, and the text you can find to underscore whatever you want. Okay, there's some additional libraries. I'll go to categories, conversion operation, and you have all of them. So here you can find, for example, to real. Okay, and there we go. And if you don't want this enable output, I believe you need to add a new run. And here you can define this one with a question mark to real. There we go. Then you can drag here, and in this case you will need to add the bar, and there we go. Okay, so in this case you move the integer value to this one, and if it's temperature or something, you will need to make some kind of calculations, so probably you can add this to an auxiliary and divide it by 10, so you get the actual temperature. Okay, so if we go now to view, let's define CFC, page oriented. Let's try this one. Going to copy over here these two definitions because I'm a little bit lazy here. I'm not 100% sure if I can drag and drop. Let's see. No, doesn't allow me. So input, output here, and box. So here to real, on this to this. Let me see if now allow me to drag. Yeah, and here. So it's the same. Okay, and if you want to specify enable input and output, right click in there, and then you have another one. Okay, you can specify a true if it's always, or a condition in order to execute this, but we're going to cover that later. Okay, so now the last one, POU underscore ST, structure test. Here I'm going to copy this because again, lazy. So this is the final value that I want. 2 points colon equal the variable. If you don't know the variable, you just F2, okay, to see all the variables, conversions, and then the input that you want. Adjust. My bad. Control that. There we go. So in this way, you have all the values already converted. So if we go over here and add all this, and I'm already in simulation. Okay, so I'm going to connect to the simulated device and see what do we have, just to show you how it works. It's unloading. Just hold on a minute. So ladder. So imagine that you want to move this 22 3. I'm going to assign this one. Okay, this one is in real. this one, for example, 227. Fine. It's gonna move over there. Right here. If I go over here and define a value, it's moving, it's doing that. So here what we can do, just to show you, now that we have the same value through temp, which is in real, we can work together on this one, or we can use, instead of make some calculation, we can make a linearization. I'm going to put this over here, r bar divided by 10.0. Okay, so if we connect once again, I'm gonna change. See here, it has defined with a new value over there. Okay, so this is how you can work with the conversion. Just a quick update how to do a conversion in case you need to match the same variable type. This is how you can do it. Okay, and the same can be done in most of the language that we have in the software. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.